Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Friday and we just started the day. It's morning around 10:30. I know it's late because we woke up late and it happens rarely. And when it happens, we all are happy. So yes, even though it's late, we already started the day. We're about to have our breakfast and I'm making tea. And there is my two boys. Good morning. Bolo, good morning, Mama. What you having? What is this? Jelly. Jelly. Good morning, Jomo.
Hello.
Oh, you wanna say something? You wanna say something? Well, hi. Hi, everybody. Today I'm gonna go for my haircut. Hannah, I need to book an appointment for Kian's haircut because yes, he needs it badly. So that's the plan. What else? Nothing is planned for the day. Let's see what we're going to do. So stay tuned. So it's already afternoon. It's around 1 in the afternoon and we're going to have lunch. I'm going to give Kian lunch. Kian is watching TV and I didn't vlog in between. What I did was I was unpacking our clothes and organizing our closet. So that's what I was doing. And yes, that's why I didn't vlog. So yeah, after lunch, I did get one magnetic board for Kian. I'm going to share the details when I'm going to vlog and show you guys that. So yeah, stay tuned. But before that, we'll have lunch. So yeah. By the way, last weekend on the Saturday, I believe, we did have some fun on our backyard. And I vlogged that as well. So I'm going to add that clip right now so that you guys can watch that and get to know what we did. And by the time you guys watch that clip, we'll have our lunch. So we'll see you guys soon. Keep watching. Hello, today is Saturday. I'm not vlogging today, but I'm about to take a nice, a clip of Kian playing with the water splash. So that's why I am vlogging. I am eventually gonna vlog tomorrow, so I'm going to add this clip there so that you guys could enjoy. So yeah, I'm sure he's gonna enjoy this water splash. By the way, one of my friend has given this to Kian on his birthday, so thank you, auntie. And he's gonna love it. See, he's gonna love this water splash, I'm sure. So we are going to set this up in the backyard so that he can play with it. And yeah, Kieta, water, water, water. Open it, open it, open it. Tumi open karo. Open it. Open. 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 Ah. বার করো, বার করো, বার করো। What is this? দাঁড়া, খুলতে দে বাবাকে। সরে যা, আয় এদিকে। We are still figuring it out how this works. Should I put air or should I put just water? So he's just reading the brochures. So let's find out and set this up. Water! 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 Ja? Ja? Hey. ভেতরে যা, ভেতরে যা, ভেতরে যা। Yay! Daddy, Daddy जाओ, Daddy. We got this magnetic board from Amazon because on his birthday we gifted him this magnetic letters, numbers, then animals. When we were in apartment, that fridge, we use that as a magnetic board, but this thing is not sticking on our fridge. I don't know what's the reason, so we needed a magnetic board, so we got one so that he can play with this animals, letters. Yes, it's magnetic whiteboard, so you can write on it as well. They gifted you the markers. So many markers you got. Markers. কি এটা? কি এটা? Markers. Open. আচ্ছা তুমি আগে কালার গুলো বলে দাও। এটা কি কালার? ব্লু। আর এটা? রেড। আর এটা? এটা কি কালার? গ্রিন। আর এটা? ব্ল্যাক। ওপেন। Open and shut. Now open. that's how the board. Yes. Now you can play with your letters and animals. Ene. It's magnetic. I can stick with the. It's কি? Tiger. এটা? এটা? হ্যাঁ? Dog. এটা? Giraffe. এটা? Elephant. Giraffe. Hello, it's basically the next day. Yesterday I haven't vlogged anything. After the last clip you saw, as I mentioned that we are gonna go for Kian's haircut, but we didn't. We cancelled that appointment because yesterday was raining. So we don't wanna like carry umbrella everywhere with the toddler and all. It's not gonna be fun, so that's why we cancelled that. We stayed home all day and I haven't vlogged anything, but we did went for Kian's haircut today, and he did get the haircut, but he throws a big tantrum there, and like he was literally crying throughout the whole time the lady was cutting his hair. Like he was crying a lot, keep saying no, 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 no. So he was like throwing a big tantrum. But anyways, the lady did cut his hair, and there is the little boy. Ta-da! Ta-da! Say hello! Hi! I got a haircut, guys. Hannah, you did get a haircut. You did get a haircut. I didn't like his haircut. But anyways, he's my Betu. I like everything on him. But the way I wanted cut his hair, she didn't make it. I can't like complain it because Kian was moving his head crazy, was crying. So anyways, and now we're going to have some watermelon, and this time we're going to have some yellow watermelon. Ta-da! Like the other day, Shomo was going for a grocery, so I asked him to get a watermelon. He did get one, but when I cut it, I saw it's a yellow one. I never saw a watermelon yellow one. This is my first time seeing it and trying it. We love it. The taste is really delicious. It's watermelon basically. Just the color is different. But if you ask me that I'm gonna get it in the future or not, maybe occasionally, but I'll prefer my super red sweet watermelon over this. But it's worth giving it a try. You should try new things. Why not, right? So we tried it. We like it, but I like my super red, juicy, sweet watermelon. And Kian also loves it too. Hannah, show me like. Did you like it?
Say yes.
You?
Yes, very much. It's a totally new experience, to be very honest. I never expect to be a yellow color of a watermelon, but it's my first time I have ever seen. So it's awesome.
Yes. So let's cut it and have some. Key. Watermelon. Watermelon. Baba. Baba. Is it yummy? Yummy? Baba. Yummy হলো ওরম কোথায়? হ্যাঁ? Yummy. হ্যাঁ না? হুম?
কিছু মিষ্টি কিছু কিছু
Ita. Ota. So, I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know. If you love to watch my videos, haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. That will be awesome. And I'm going to see you guys soon with a new vlog. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys. Bye Balbi. Bye guys.